everyone! It's time to learn how to write Chinese characters. Let's go! Vega! And Bison! Sagat! Cammy! T Hawk! Dee Jay! Fei Long. Cammy, specifically the character G. 14 strokes. This character is a nightmare for beginners and the task of fine motor control for even native speakers. Its difficulty comes from complex structure. It's a left-right structure where both sides are complex, dense composition. The components are packed tightly together. 注加力加口. There is very little white space. Tricky balance. Making it look balanced and not lopsided is challenging. The Ju component on the left is itself a multi-stroke component that must be written correctly for the character to look right. 或克 T hold, specifically the character 克或 hold. 16 strokes, while not the absolute lowest in stroke count. Its structure is the straightforward vertical stack of components, 与加锥. It's predictable and doesn't have many tricky, dense intersections. 可 K 7 strokes. This character is the clear winner for easiest to write. It has a very low stroke count and a simple, balanced structure, 骨架, that is learned very early by students. It's quick and intuitive to write. Stroke count. Generally, the higher the count, the harder it is. For example, 加14 vs 可7 structural complexity, a character with many components packed together, like 加 is harder than one with a simple, open structure, like me. Presence of easy characters, the presence of a very simple character like Core Fei can make an entire name feel much easier to write.